So I recently bought the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palettes and I really love them. I love the formula and I love using them on all my clients. However, the packaging is a little bit bulky and take up a lot of space in my makeup kit. So I want to show you how I depotted them and also to show you how to avoid breaking them. So I unfortunately ended up breaking a couple of the eyeshadows, so I'm going to tell you how to avoid that. So the first step that you want to do to depot the eyeshadows is to separate the mirror from the eyeshadows. So I used a craft knife and I just cut along each of the 4 sides of the eyeshadow palette. So once you've done that a couple of times, then you can gently peel away the eyeshadows from the mirror. So what we're going to do next is we're going to cut the outer layer of the eyeshadow palette so that we can expose the 3 layers of cardboard that are on the inside. So again, I've used a craft knife and I've just cut away each of the 4 sides. Okay, so now that we've got the paper off the eyeshadows, you'll find that there's 2 magnetic clips and you just take those away and you'll see that there's 3 layers of cardboard that are holding each eyeshadow together. So we slowly want to separate them. So the first layer just peels off really easily. You can just use your fingers for this and just slowly peel away so the whole thing comes off. And then onto the second layer. So for this I used my craft knife again and just cut along all 4 edges of the eyeshadows and then gently peel it off, and then we exposed the eyeshadows to the very last layer. And we're up to taking the eyeshadows off the last layer of cardboard. So you'll see that the eyeshadows are stuck down to the cardboard with glue. Some of them come off a little easier than others, like these 2 here. But for the rest, I got a craft knife and just really carefully placed the craft knife underneath the eyeshadows and just sort of cut away the glue so that it lifts off a little easier. Okay, so now we want to really carefully peel off each sticker that's left on the eyeshadow pan. This, with some of my other palettes, was actually one area where I broke the eyeshadow. So just be really gentle at this point here and slowly peel off that last piece of sticker that's left. I found this really cool magnetic strip tape, I think just from a dollar store or something. It's basically just like using sellotape, nice and easy. And then I just cut off a little bit, however much I want, and attach it to the bottom of each eyeshadow. So I've chosen to put all of the Morphe eyeshadows into a MAC palette. In terms of the color wave, this is just something that I put together for the video. However, the products that or the eyeshadows that I use in my actual kit, I've got this 15 here plus another couple of double-sided palettes, and I've just been mixing and matching all the different color waves so they're nice and in order. Something I noticed about putting the eyeshadows into the palette is they can be a little bit stiff. So again, just really be careful so they don't, so the eyeshadows don't break whilst you're putting them in. And here we have my new lightweight compact Morphe eyeshadows that I've put into my M.A.C palette. It's seriously so much easier to have all my eyeshadows in one place. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful to reorganize your makeup kit and your eyeshadows as well. If you like this video, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Thank you!